morning, good afternoon. I think it's about, what time is it? 1:06. It's about 1:06, so it's good after. I'm about to go to the village weekend. We're going to come back tomorrow evening because it's not far. I think it's less than 30 minutes from here. So it's not far at all. So, and yeah, I'm just packing up stuff, trying to rearrange and arrange the kids. I already bought things that will cook at home. Yeah, so you guys keep an eye for the village vlog. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys probably once I get to the village. Hey guys, so I arrived at the village and I'm currently at my mother-in-law's kitchen, like this, the local kitchen, the one she uses outside. So we're using firewood to cook because my husband said he wants to eat firewood food. So that's what we're going to use to cook. I actually miss firewood food. I don't know. Let me know if you miss eating firewood food because I do miss firewood food and it's raining. When we got here, it just started raining. So I'm enjoying staying close to the fire and I know how to make firewood in case you guys don't know. So I'm making firewood. I want to cook soup. I'll let you guys know maybe when I finish cooking. This is not fun, like it's not fun using firewood to cook, but sometimes I crave it. Sometimes I want to eat firewood soup. I'll eat firewood soup today and I'll try to use firewood tomorrow to cook rice, which is really nice. If you know firewood rice, you know how sweet it is. I want to have the village experience. So I'll show you guys like literally anything we do when we start cooking. We're trying to make another fire somewhere else where we're going to be able to cook like two things at the same time. Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday. Hey guys, so we're just here in the kitchen. We're actually cooking, but we've not started cooking. So we're trying to heat water for the kids to bathe, and I'm enjoying this 24 hours living the village life for 24 hours. And also, I'm also trying to. That's Renee over there. In case you guys haven't seen her, I'm also trying to. They are working on the chicken so we can cook. And that's it. I want to make chicken and stew. So this is the chicken we're going to use. So they just killed the 2 live chicken. Yeah, I just want to brush my teeth. Then the tomato is already on fire. I want to work on the garlic and ginger. And yeah, basically, let's see how today goes. We're supposed to go back today. Talk to you guys. Maybe. Yeah, Isabel, say hi now. Say hi to my friends.
Hi.
Look at the little girl that did Lolo yesterday. Say hi.
Hi.
This small girl, she's very industrious, guys. So today we hope to go with a lot of Lolo. So I might do another Lolo vlog because yesterday's one was kind of dark because we did it at night. But today we'll make rice and stew. People are hungry, but we need to take tea and bread this morning first. Then brush my teeth. Bye bye. Renee having the village life. Enjoy village life. That's my mother-in-law. Let me take you guys around. Let me just show you guys like around a little bit around the compound before they start cooking, because it's not really started. So let's go. So she's about to make another fufu. I don't know why I keep calling it lele. That is it there. So I'll just video the process of making it. Let me see what she does. As I said, there's that little girl over there that is making all this stuff. So let me watch what she's doing. So you add palm oil first, right? Then you add water. Or you add the fufu mixture and stir it together. Okay, I'll watch you. Let's see what we have here. So guys, it's going to be like an end to this 24 hours in the village vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's raining and we're about to go home. Here's orange tree, pear tree. There are a lot of beautiful trees, okazi, plantain. There are a lot of stuff to do here in the village and I had so much fun. I hope you had fun. And yeah, we're about to go home now. As you can see, I'm just waiting for my husband to come, then we start going. But yeah, I love filming this vlog. Sometimes it's just good to take a break from the city and just come to the countryside or village and have fun. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I also forgot to add that if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Don't make it your last. And I see all you new subscribers. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.